So today's vlog is going to be a little bit different, and it'll be the first of its kind, but I'm hoping the first of many. I'm pretty new to the vlogging world and the YouTube world. Everything that I have uploaded so far has either been on my iPhone. I have the iPhone X, so it's been on that. It's a great camera, great battery life, and also my husband's GoPro Hero 4. But I needed a little bit of an upgrade, and I didn't want to keep doing everything on my iPhone. Granted, it can work perfectly, but I can't like record my content and do everything that I want to do in addition to like Snapchatting, doing my IG stories. I can't do it all on one device. So I have a new toy and I'm so excited to show you. So I'm going to do my unboxing with you all. I mean, I did take the wrapper off. It's just plastic wrapper. Anyways, I took that off, but you'll get my live reaction to the unboxing of my new camera, the Yee. I'm so excited. So I decided to go ahead and get the Yee 4K action camera. It was between that one and the GoPro Hero 5, and then when I was deciding, they came out with the GoPro Hero 2018, and I'm like, oh my god, what do I do? Did a whole bunch of research, and then I couldn't afford the GoPro Hero 6. It just was way out of my price range. I still have to live, and I have bills to pay, and I have a 2-year-old. So I decided to do a lot of research on alternatives to the GoPro. My husband has a GoPro. It works like a charm, but I really didn't want to have to buy a GoPro that needed a case, and I knew that the Hero 5 didn't need one. I could have gone the other option of just getting the Hero Session, but I didn't want to do that either because I wanted a screen on the back so that I can see what I was doing. And plus, I planned on getting another camera. I just did not want to spend $300 to $500 on an action camera. I didn't want to, and I wasn't going to. So I looked at alternatives to the GoPro. There are a gajillion out there, but this one, the Yee, is considered the GoPro killer, or it was a few years ago, and I think they are giving them a run for their money. I really like it. It shoots in 4K. Not that I'm gonna probably use 4K a lot, but it's a nice feature to have. Pretty much had everything that I wanted in an action camera. Only cost me $169. Actually, I bought the one that was with the case on Amazon, so it was $179. So with the case, it was only $10 more, and I was like, why not? I don't go in the water that much, so I was like, I didn't really need a waterproof case, but my husband was like, well, why not? It's only $10 more, and if you happen to go in the pool, or if we're on a vacation and we're in the ocean, you can just pop it on, and that's completely true. And a lot of the reviews I saw really matched up the Hero 5 to this Yee 4K one. Now they have a bunch of different other Yee cameras. They have the Yee Lite, which I was considering getting, the Yee Discovery, which I was not gonna get, and then they have the Yee 4K Plus. It's $100 more than this one, so it was either the 4K or the Yee Lite. And although the Yee Lite price was really good at just under $100, it just didn't give me what I was looking for as far as stabilization and different features that it had, and it kind of just took out some bells and whistles. I haven't opened my box yet. This is just based off of the research that I have seen. So enough about the research. Let's get started and open my box. Yeah, I'm so excited. All right, so here is my Yee 4K action camera with waterproof case. Really excited about it, so let's get started. Upon opening, you have your nice installation. Then you move to all of the nice little cards and stuff that we never read, how-to guides to use it, and everything that I'll probably just toss. Then I'm gonna move to the actual waterproof case. Uh-oh. So here's the actual waterproof case. Looks exactly kind of like the GoPros. This button with the arrow over and it just comes right undone. You open it, put the camera in there. So we'll do that in a minute. Then you have your adapters for the camera, the waterproof case and the camera. Like I said, it looks pretty much the same as the GoPro. There we go. Then we have the battery. And then I know strip right here, but you don't want to break it or pull it or cut it off, because once it goes inside the camera, it's really snug, and that's how you pull it out. Then you get your USB to charge and transfer your files to your laptop or your computer. And then the camera. 4K. Here is the on-off switch or on-off button. And then right here, I believe these are the microphones, and that's the speaker. I'm just really basing this off of all the research I've done. And then, yep, here is the port for the USB. And then this is where your gimbal would go for you to hold it, or whatever stand you have. And then your battery goes in here, so we're just gonna pop that in. You just kind of push it over to the side and line up the strips there, or what I'll call strips. Close it and we'll turn it on. There we have it. So you're just gonna go through everything here. And it pretty much just, ask you to choose your settings. You just kind of go through next. There we have it. I will, thank you, Yi. So needless to say, I am super excited about my new camera. I'm so excited to play around in this today, yeah. And I will do another video to show you all about it. I should be a pro. Let's hope. Thanks, guys.